Woodworking combines precision, creativity, and skillful technique in perfect harmony. Whether you're a beginner just starting your journey or an experienced craftsperson, the right tools can truly transform your projects. Modern woodworking equipment features incredible innovations and technological advances that deliver superior efficiency and outstanding performance. Here are 10 exceptional tools designed to elevate your craftsmanship and bring your creative ideas to life with ease. Let's explore these amazing instruments. Picture this. You're in your garage ready to hang a new door, and you reach for the Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig Plus. This tool changes everything for both DIYers and pros, making door and frame hinge installations easier than ever. Its padded, dual self-clamping design sets up quickly without damaging your door, no screws or nails needed. Whether you're working with standard or thick doors, the adjustable settings have you covered. It handles hinge mortises from 2.5 inches to 4.5 inches and even comes with templates for common latch and strike plate sizes. The built-in storage compartments keep your router bit and optional self-centering hinge bit within arm's reach, so you're not scrambling to find tools mid-project. Plus, the bonus Pin Doctor hinge pin removal tool is a nifty addition for taking off old doors. With the Hinge Jig Plus, you're set for a smooth, professional installation every time. When you're ready to tackle a lock installation project, the Milescraft 1338 Lockmate Plus makes the job straightforward and efficient. This jig clamps securely to your door without leaving a mark, thanks to its non-marring rubber surface. It's designed to work with 1 3/8 inch and 1 7/8 inch thick doors and accommodates both 2 3/8 inch and 2 7/8 inch backsets, covering most lock types. The included bimetal hole saws, 2 1/8 inch and 1 inch, are sturdy enough to handle wood and metal doors alike. One amazing feature is the stepped drill guide reinforced with a metal bushing that ensures precise drilling while protecting the tool from wear. Plus, the long pilot bit helps prevent splintering by letting you finish the hole cleanly from the opposite side of the door. If you want professional-looking results without the hassle, this tool has you covered. If you need a clever tool to make drilling corner or edge joints easier, the Milescraft 1332 JointMate is a good choice. It's simple to use, offering quick and accurate doweling with minimal setup, making it perfect for woodworking projects. One of its best features is the self-centering guideposts that let you align everything precisely with one hand, ensuring strong joints and perfectly placed dowels every time. The tool includes hardened steel bushings that keep it accurate and durable for a long time, so you can count on well-positioned dowels with every use. The adjustable guide fence offers extra flexibility, letting you adjust the board depth for consistent hole placement across joints. Plus, the fence can be removed without taking off the guide knobs, making it even easier to use. The JointMate works with lumber from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick, adding versatility to your projects. Made from durable ABS plastic with metal bushings for accuracy, this tool offers great performance and reliability. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the Milescraft JointMate simplifies the process of doweling, making it quick, easy, and precise every time. The Milescraft 1340 Hardware Jig is a handy and precise tool designed to make installing cabinet hardware like knobs, pulls, and handles easier. Its adjustable design allows you to quickly adapt it for different hardware types. Built with a sturdy metal ruler and sliding stops that lock into place, it ensures consistent and accurate positioning for multiple installations. The jig's reversible feature lets you easily switch between left and right doors without altering the hardware's position, saving time and ensuring uniformity. With 3 durable 5mm steel bushings, it creates precise, straight holes that last. The centering notches help align the jig with center marks for perfect placement, especially when installing drawer knobs. Plus, it accommodates pulls and handles from 1 1/4 inches to 10 inches in length, offering flexibility for various hardware sizes. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, this tool provides a quick, efficient way to install cabinet hardware with reliable results. The Milescraft 1410 track saw square is a must-have for anyone looking to make quick and precise 90-degree cuts with a track saw. Designed specifically for the Milescraft 1408 and 1409 guide rails and track saw guide, this tool makes it effortless to achieve perfectly square cuts. Its unique trapezoid alignment ridges automatically position the rail at a precise 90 degrees, so you only need one measurement mark for straight, consistent cuts. Thanks to its symmetrical design, you can use it on either end of the track for added convenience. The lightweight, low-profile construction works smoothly on boards half-inch and thicker, while the anti-tip stabilizer bar keeps the workpiece steady, preventing any movement during cutting. Plus, recessed notches allow for secure attachment with Milescraft track clamps. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, this tool simplifies the cutting process and ensures accuracy every time. With the Milescraft 1410 track saw square, achieving desired cuts has never been easier. The Milescraft 1334 JointMaster is a compact and versatile doweling jig that helps woodworkers make accurate dowel joints quickly and easily. Its self-clamping design removes the need for extra clamps, making setup a breeze. The jig includes two retractable edge stops to help align boards precisely, ensuring consistent dowel placement. It comes with 3 interchangeable hardened steel drill blocks that can handle the most common pin sizes. These drill blocks are adjustable for boards ranging from 1/2 inch to 3 inch thick. Plus, built-in scales and centering marks guide the user to position dowel holes accurately. To make things even easier, the jig includes spacer blocks that automatically center the drill blocks on standard board thicknesses. The edge stops help ensure proper alignment of both boards, reducing the chance of errors. The built-in non-slip pad keeps the workpiece steady while drilling, protecting the surface from damage. Designed for edge, corner, and surface joints, the JointMaster's strong all-metal body and durable aluminum construction ensure it will last. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, the Milescraft JointMaster is a dependable tool for creating precise dowel joints every time. Imagine you're in your workshop ready to hang a new door, and you reach for the Milescraft 1226 Hinge Jig. This self-clamping jig is a wonder, making door and latch hinge installation straightforward and efficient. Its padded clamp design sets up quickly without the need for screws or nails, preventing any damage to your door. Whether you're working with standard or thick doors, the adjustable settings have you covered. It accommodates hinge mortises from 2.5 to 4.5 inches and allows you to cut professional hinge mortises with 1/4 inch, 5/8 inch, or square corners, chisel required for square corners. Plus, the built-in depth setting gauge ensures precise cuts for different hinge sizes, and the included custom router bit with a ball bearing guarantees clean and smooth mortises. Plus, the built-in storage compartments keep your router bit and optional self-centering hinge bit within arm's reach, so you're always organized. With the Hinge Jig, you're set for a smooth, professional installation every time. For making smoothing surfaces and edges easily, the Milescraft Sandit is a handy all-in-one sanding block designed to work with any standard 1x4 sheet of sandpaper. This compact tool is perfect for a variety of sanding jobs. Its smart design includes multiple sanding surfaces, flat, concave, and tight corners, so you don't need a bunch of different tools for different shapes. Ideal for woodworkers, DIYers, and craftsmen, the Sandit features a patented snap-lock system that makes switching sandpaper grits quick and effortless, saving you time and hassle. It even comes with a 1x4 sheet of 150 grit sandpaper to get you started right away. Whether you're working on straight surfaces, rounded edges, or tricky corners, this tool provides a comfortable grip and smooth sanding action. Built for both beginners and pros, the Milescraft Sandit is a durable, efficient, and convenient addition to any toolbox. Imagine you're in your workshop ready to tackle a new project, and you reach for your router. The Milescraft 622 Omnibase offers a truly universal fit for nearly every router, from trim to full size, thanks to its innovative adjustable swivel mounting wings. This 7-inch diameter base plate, crafted from clear polycarbonate, not only boosts stability, but also enhances visibility during your routing tasks. It's compatible with 1 3/16" Porter cable-style metal bushings, making it versatile for various applications. Plus, the inclusion of non-marring mortising pins allows you to cut mortises into boards of varying thicknesses, perfect for tenon joinery. The Omnibase integrates with Milescraft's turn-lock jigs, expanding your tool's capabilities even further. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this base plate simplifies setup and improves precision, making your projects more enjoyable and efficient. So that's a wrap on the 10 coolest woodworking tools for 2025.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.